Today we're going to be talking about this item right here, the IJOY Track AI Artificial Intelligence 360 degrees face object trackbot tripod. I saw this, I had to pick it up. Basically, I'm just going to be unboxing this, showing what's inside, and then kind of give some details about it, and then what attracted me to getting this. It's very unique. So before I do that, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, I'm trying to build our subscriber base. And if this video added value to you, please hit the like button and feel free to leave comments. So let's get started. Let's open this. So this is the front. There's the side, back, and then the other side. Now, one of the reasons that drew me to picking up this item was because it actually tracks your face and it swivels and turns to make sure that your face is captured. So I took it out of the box. It has an instruction booklet and then the entire piece right here. So the instruction booklet or user manual for the IJOY Track is right here. Basically what it is it seems that it uses batteries as there's no plug for power. So to me, I couldn't find any batteries to actually put it on, I realized, because it uses 3 AAA, AA batteries. So 3 AA batteries. And basically you have to download from iOS operating system or Android operating system. You have to download the app to use this. The reason why is because it connects with the Bluetooth, and that allows it to actually track and make turns to right or left, the swivels, to kind of track your face with the app. So just to read some basic specifications on this is you need to install batteries. And basically, how do you do that? How do you install batteries on this? You have to go to the bottom and you have to unscrew this piece right here, and voila, 3 AA batteries. When you're done, put this lid back on and just turn it. So this thing is very, very simple. You have to install the mobile app, which is your next thing. And then the other thing is you have to decide if you want the horizontal or the vertical. So if you want to change the vertical, you have to loosen the back thing, turn it, and then tighten it back up. So you're going to press this button right here to power on for use. And of course, you have to download, scan the QR code located on the instruction book, or search the Track AI in the App Store or Google's Play Store to download and install the app. And I can see this right here too on the bottom of it, the base. iOS, Android. You got to make sure the 360 object tracking holder is on and red light flashing, and the holder is waiting for Bluetooth connection. So you have to say yes to Bluetooth, and you have to say yes to location, GPS on your device. So use the location that tracks your face. The great thing about this that I see is that you can also take tracking of faces not only for one, but also for double. So you can have 2 faces, and basically it can track both faces. If you're like taking a picture for photos, facial tracking mode. And also video mode, pose and wait for 3 seconds, it can automatically start and record. So this thing is very unique. It does object tracking mode too, which is like such as photo follow and video follow. You'll double click the select target on the camera interface and wait for 3 seconds. It can automatically start taking photos. So this thing is pretty useful. I mean, all in all, you know, this base is very heavy. Let me just get an old iPhone. So there's an old iPhone. Let's put that in there. It stretches. Okay. So let's just stretch this, put it in there. So as you can see, it's not bad. Now let's just say if I want it to be horizontal, I just push this back up. I loosen the back, as I said earlier. I switch this and I tighten it, and boom, You can have horizontal. So all in all, this thing is pretty good. You can tilt forward, you can tilt backward. I actually like this item just because I feel like this base is very heavy. You can put it on your desk. You can just look at it. You know, if you're FaceTiming somebody with your Apple iPhone, you know, it's really good. You can also put a sticker on here and put it in your car dashboard. It's not bad. So let me just explain a bit about this. So this is your smartphone holder. This is the power button. On top of this, you have a little hole. That's your Bluetooth LED. And then on the left is your power LED. Right here, the left. And then you have your tripod threads on the bottom, which keeps it, you know, positioned. So this thing is very simple. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any batteries, so I can't power it up, but I just wanted to share this with everybody. Price on this is about $15. You already get it at big box retailers. If you go to a discount retailer, you can get it for like $9.99 or $10. I paid $9.99 on this. I got it at Ross. At the Target, you'll probably pay like $15. So, you know, there you have it. Now you know where to get it if you want it, what the price point is, and what are my thoughts on this. I shared out throughout the video, you know, I feel like you can use this for multi-purpose. Not only can you use it and just leave it on your desk and do FaceTime with somebody with your Apple iPhone, you can also like stick a sticker on the bottom, which sticks on both sides, and stick on your dashboard of your car. So I feel this is very good because it allows you to swivel horizontally and vertically. So this thing is pretty useful outside of what it's intended to do too, which is to track your face when you're FaceTiming somebody or talking to somebody on the phone. But all in all, I think this is a unique item. For a price point, I think it's pretty good, under $10 before tax. So hopefully this video added some value just to, you know, present you about this item, unboxing it, this IJOY tracking, the artificial intelligence that's put in there based off of the YouTube and the location that you have to say yes to before you can use it. And then you need batteries, which is very important. One of the drawbacks I see on this, my thoughts is that it doesn't have a power cord. So once the battery dies, there's no way to, you know, give it more power other than batteries. So you always have to buy batteries. So that's one of the drawbacks on it. But other than that, I see it as a pretty good item. Useful. Would I get it? Probably not now, because I like it if it had the power cord, but it doesn't use power cord, uses only batteries. So it's really not something that I can see I can use long term, like if I would put on a dashboard on a car, because there's no power supply. I have to put batteries. So that's probably why I probably will have to return this item. But, you know, I just wanted to present to all of you guys. The IJOY is a fun item, tracking AI, artificial intelligence, AI 360 degrees, face, object, trackbot, tripod. So just want to put it out there. Bases on, uses Bluetooth and also your location for GPS. So if I added value on this, please hit the like button. And also, if you can subscribe to my channel, you're welcome to. I'm trying to build on my subscriber base. I put up new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I look forward to hearing from your comments. And please continue to watch my channel. Thank you and stay safe. Cheers, mate.